pinagdadasal, makikiusap na lang, akin ka na lang, giliw. Akin ka na lang, ang dinadasal sa araw-araw. At maghihintay hanggang akin ka na hiling. PJ, Mami Love, next vlog. Akin ka na lang. Alright.
Oh, grabe. Ang falsetto. Akin ka na lang.
Thank you
Thank you, Dawan.
Yan, PJ.
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat. At
Thank you,
two song din pala ako. Two songs para
Malupitan na yan.
pamalipitan ni Janet 25 Vlog. Dahil nandyan po kayo hanggang sa dulo na walang hanggang 16 million amazing people. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And this is my... May isa pa ha? No, the past. Isa pa. Go! I'm nothing special. In fact, I'm a beautiful one. If I tell a joke, you probably heard it before. Maraming salamat. That I have a talent, a wonderful thing. 'Cause everyone listens when I start to sing. I'm so grateful and proud. All I want is to sing it out loud. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy that I'm bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in all honesty. What would life be without a song or a dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. Araneta, Japan! Come on! Thank you! Mother says I was a dancer before I could walk. Jian, Layalim. She says I've begun to sing long before I could talk. Hey, bye-bye, thank you. And I've often wondered, how did it all start? Who found out that nothing can capture a heart like a melody can? Well, whoever it was, I'm a fan. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Leia, Jian, dahil sa inyo nandito ako sa YT ha, tandaan nyo yan. Andito lang din ako parati sa inyo. Basta may premyo kayo sa akin. Just in all honesty, dalawa kayo. What would life be? Leia and Jian. Just a song or a dance, what are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. Sa aking admin, Joanne, thank you. And of course kay Duan, Eska, thank you always. I've been so lucky. I am a girl with the black hair, and I wanna sing it out to everybody. What a joy, what a life, what a chance. Thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in all honesty. Mommy Loves, thank you. Welcome to the family. Love guns. Without a song or a dance, what are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And hanggang sa dulo na walang hanggang, 4 hours and 20 minutes. Ikaw na, kayo na. Salamat, salamat, salamat. And this is my final song. Maraming salamat, Leah. Ano na, Mars. Ayan, thank you very much. The one, thank you. And this is my final song. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan. Happy! Help me make it through the night. I know you're everything that I've been looking for. Masi Wanderer. And welcome to the life. At ano na po, paint na po kami. Into your eyes, I couldn't ask for more. So it's only fair. Nori, OFW, hanging line. Hold on. I'm gonna need a little time. So if I ever fall in love again, but sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through. No, I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again. Maraming salamat, May Karamay. Maraming salamat din sa iyo. Neresa Torres, maraming salamat. PJ Official. Scared, I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down. And yet, if you just trust me, I'm sure I come around. And I know when your heart's hard to let someone inside. In your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. I love you. Boom. If I ever fall in love again. And sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through. No, I don't know when. Ricks, make a love shout out. Ricks channel. If I ever fall in love again, I'd be a fool to ever let you go. You're the best thing in my life. I know I'm gonna take it slow. Hey, happy Mr. Davao. Ayo lang yan, Dadong, Manong. Yan, ay pagbitaw kay Happy ba? In love pa more. I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through. No, I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, and if I ever fall in love again. Ayan, maraming salamat. Galing sa aking puso ang aking pag-thank you sa inyo. Maraming salamat. At sana hindi ito ang katapusan. Ito po yung ating umpisa sa ating YT. Para huwag niyo akong huwag niyo akong kalimutan. Nandyan lang kayo parati sa akin, ha. Up and down, dito lang po si Janet 25 Vlog sa inyo. The one, Joanne, ayan. Happy Mami Love, ayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And Love Gangs family, always thank you sa pagsuporta kay Janet 25 Vlog. Andito lang po ako, ayan. Sige, The one, ikaw mag-message ka sa kanila. Mag-i-end na tayo.
Meron po akong message, ayan. Salamat din po, nanalo ako. Pero, ayan. Shout out ko po muna yung Team Bokya. Yes. Better lucks.
Luck next time. Lux ka dyan. Walang lux din. Luck next time. Ano?
Better lucks next time. Ano nakakatawa dyan, Ma'am J? Mukhang
Pinabalik-balik kasi.
Grabe siya, Isa pa, isa pa. Better luck next time. Oh, bakit? Oh, sige, tumawa ka. Bakit hindi? Tawanan mo ang
Tawanan
iyong
yung problema. Yes, correct.
Yan, May. Yan sa lahat yan, guys.
Maraming salamat. And love you all. I love you all. Love, love, love. Love Gangs family. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Dawan, okay na? Okay na yung shout out, no?
Teka, may sasabihin pa ako.
Sige. Okay. Patuloy mo.
Ito, yan. Before anything else, I would like to say, bye-bye na po, Ma'am Jay.
Kala ko sasabihin mo, ano eh.
Ano sasabihin? May inaantay ka yatang sasabihin ko, Ma'am Jay, ah.
Opo, ano sabi ni, ano, tingin basahin mo muna yung sinusulat ni admin. Kanina ka pa, Iskal. Delete ko ba ba?
Admin, ikaw na. Ay, grabe siya. Oh.
May sasabihin daw si Iska, may sasabihin.
Sabihin
Oo.
ako, ayan.
Oo, may sasabihin siya.
Ma'am Jay,
Sige na.
siguro ito na yung time para sabihin ko.
Sige, sabihin mo. Sige, sabihin mo.
Ito. Harap ka sa akin, harap ka sa akin, harap ka.
Nakaharap na nga eh. Hindi ka nga nakaharap eh.
Ito. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Jay, kasi hindi dinilit ni Hopia yung panalo ko.
Yung ano, panalong awa. Panalong awa yun, panalong awa. 50 Gcash. Mamaya pa. Ayan. Wait lang po, ang mga wala pong Gcash number, pwede pong pakibaba dyan kung walang Gcash number. Okay na ba lahat? May mga Gcash number na ba lahat? Bukas na lang yan siguro ha, bukas na lang. Bukas na lang, Joanne, para makapag slow. Bukas na lang lahat ha. I-ano mo na lang, finalize na lang kung magkano lahat. Ayan, okay. Maraming salamat. Paano na, Dawan? Okay na? Okay na yung ano mo, shoutout mo? Okay na?
Okay na po, Ma'am Jay.
Sige. Thank you very much and good night to each and everyone. Sweet dreams and have a happy lang tayo
Welcome to Lab Gangs. Welcome to Lab Gangs family members of Janet 25 Vlog.
This is Janet sa Music at Luto. Panalo ka!
Please subscribe and click the bottom bell to my admin Joan Mac, Bitang members Angelo Zeki, Arch Help Beauty Kanzeo, Man and NJ, Daryl Rabo, Metal Joy Vlog, Joyden 200 Hi Marga Vlog, Nori OFW, Rosie Ross Bongs Kibong Mix Vlog, Jean Mix Vlog 23, Main Ahmed Ira, Noli Boy Family, Simply My Labs, Editor Rami, Orlins and One, Bing of San Jose, Jean Ski TV, Mr. Sue, Froyland, Mysterious Way, Rayhan Percoso, Mysterious Hero 06 Way, Maycara Maylu Magda. Thanks you for your love and support from host Janet 25 Vlog. God bless us all.
Yo, yo, yo! Yo, yo, yo! Welcome sa channel.
Welcome to Janet 25 Vlog. Please click
This
the
is
bottom
Janet.
bell. Janet 25 Vlog content is singing Tata Cower content. Cover song exploring Japan video. Live streaming Kate Kai Kahanmoy. Please connect to my Let Things family. Members S. Caleb Her Team X Vlog, Vincent Bayaga, Jenny J. Geek Channel, Jimari Mar, Nori May TP, Kulit Bros, Marin May Olatel Vlog, Tanya Iwamoto Vlog, PH to KLEV, Lady Wang Team PP, Charlene, Twix Channel, Mary Yahoo, Chatoy Penton, Dad Gildred, L. Harry Mix Vlog, Doris Gordon, Chris Lee Life, Puppy 8, Admin Me Janet 25. Thank you for your love and support. God bless us all. Always support each other. More power to our YouTube channel. Lab 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 Gangs family.
Okay, good night to each and everyone. Bye-bye. Dawan, bye-bye. Thank you. Admin, thank you. Sa lahat po na nandyan, maraming salamat po. And see you around.
1, 2, 3, 4.